How to understand the basics of stock market. Financial expert Mr. Ramalingam will explain this to you now.
People have different perspective about stock market. So I would like to give you one particular lens or one particular paradigm through which you have to see the stock market so that it brings a lot of clarity to you. It gives a lot of direction to you. Why stock market looks confusing most of the time? It is not easy to make money for most of the people. Why? What makes stock market investments really complicated? It is because of these reasons, right? Some people claim stock market is volatile, 25% guaranteed return it can give. Somebody else says I can buy in the morning and sell in the evening, invest in flavor of the month kind of stocks, subscribe to an IPO, sell on listing, right? Different strategies. So price movement, okay, market will crash from here, market will move from here. The moment I say stock market, what comes to the mind of the people is the chart. That is what that comes to the mind. 52 week high, 52 week low. All these things what comes to the mind of an investor. But what is actually a stock? What is actually a share? Share is nothing but a business. What is the right perspective? The right perspective is share is a business. For every stock, there is going to be a business underlying. For an equity mutual fund, there is going to be an underlying portfolio of 25 to 40 stocks, which means 25 to 40 business. Your equity mutual fund is investing in 25 to 40 business. You are not investing in stocks. You are investing in business through stocks. This is the right perspective to have. The moment when you say share or stock, you should think about the business. That is the right perspective to have. But most of the times when you say stock, what is the price, current price, what is the target price? That is the question pops up in our mind. We don't think about what business they are into, how long they are in the business, what's their market share. Does these questions come to our mind? No. When we say any stock name, what comes to our mind is what is the stock price? What is written they have given? How much will be the target? What is the target price? This is what that comes to our mind. The price is what comes to our mind, not the business, and the strength of the business is not coming to our mind. The moment you think about a stock, when business comes to your mind, then that means we are becoming simple common sense investor, means you are becoming a matured investor, right? Because there's no complication. When you think about price, all the complication comes into picture. When you think about business, the complication is less. Very specific, limited question is what you got. That will give you right perspective.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.